Wow, right in his backswing. The tournament's officially underway. With sons like that, who needs enemies? Oh, baby. Derek, your early leader through one under. Derek Eppenbrock is 2 under through 2. Here comes Phil Bordeaux.
He went long.
Oh, no, he didn't.
Oh! Oh. Nice.
What a shot!
Nice shot.
Derek Eppenbrock 2 under with an early lead. A couple others at 1 under. Here goes Coop. So I'm calling him the greatest of all time. See if we can bring back some of those old memories. Oh, baby! Uh-oh. Oh. Uh-oh. We got bunker action. 2 guys in the bunker. We got fireworks.
You can't get mad. He put it.
Oh!
What a shot! Sit.
She's
doing burnouts at the same time when I win and then
yeah. No one's gonna care about that. The Justin's tied for the lead. Big swing there. Sand traps will punish you.
Get a view of that log.
Oh! Wow.
Man, this hole.
Wow.
You got to play this.
Wow.
I mean, you got to just go long. I mean,
Here goes Coop. He's 1 off the lead.
good shot. Yep.
Wow.
Stop. Oh, I like it. Another one right at it.
Baby!
Oh, they're throwing him at it.
Let's see if he can clear these bunkers.
Yeah, he cleared them. Oh, Billy threw it back.
Derek, 1 under for par.
Oh!
It's a bogey. He'll drop back to even. This is your leader to stay atop. Clutch! Number 6, the Jameson hole. Furthest from the hole has to chugger. Jordan. It looks like Jordan's going to get furthest from the pin until Bill went. What a shot! All right, Billy.
State of my game.
There you go. Good for you.
Come on.
Thoughts on the lie?
Not good.
For birdie to get to 3 under. Oh, baby. We'll cut a new hole. Justin Green, your leader through 6 at 3 under. Justin Eppenbrock 1 back at 2 under. There's the rest. Coop and Derek at even. Justin Eppenbrock 1 back. Gonna have some trouble with this one. We've moved the pin for the next 6 holes. Oh my gosh, that was perfect.
For a birdie. Did he? Nice.
Oh, baby. Good.
Perfect.
Yep.
You can, but it's 3 off the tee.
No, 4. Double stroke.
Oh, yeah, 4 off the tee.
You're hitting 4 off the tee.
We've made the turn. Justin Green 4 under is your leader. Phil Bordeaux 3 back. Here we go.
Yes. Go.
Great shot.
Good shot.
Oh no. Oh no. I don't want him to, but if he does, I will have it on video.
Could rival the Christmas tree.
What a putt!
Good putt.
Did I get a par or did I get a bolt?
You parred.
Okay.
Wow, that's a good shot.
Safe shot. There you go.
Here we go.
Marshall, because
Last pin position of the day for the last 6. Oh.
Leader. Huge lead. It's pretty much over. Wow, what a shot. We told him welcome to the fucking club.
yeah,
Oh!
nice.
Oh!
Fun stuff.
That's what Anna told me last night.
You got them happy feet. Ooh.
Oh, I like it! Oh! Oh! Ooh! The leader for birdie. This pretty much ices it. Pretty much got it won. He's just playing it safe from here on out. Yep. Nice safe shot. That's the easy par.
Well, that's nice.
Going sharp.
I'll go over here.
Oh, nice. That's going to be nice.
Hey, this don't feel hard.
One of the things about Royal Eppenbrock is you got to deal with the kids on the trampoline on this tee shot. Only the best can do it. Oh, baby! That's good from there. Oh, Phil!
Yeah, we're running out of holes. Who's that?
Oh, shot of the tournament!
Who is that?
We got a new one.
Still a good shooting right there.
You guys gonna top it in or not?
Of course, it's held up pretty nicely today. I'll give it that.
Feels in tight for birdie. This to keep. Yep, he's just unbeatable today. Unbeatable today.
Unbeatable today. Unbeatable.
To stay 5 back. Nice putt.
Nice.
He's
Fucking bands suck.
Why?
They just make like
5 back, 3 to go.
good bird, Phil.
I had a birdie.
The leader. Just a victory tour now. Big lead, 3 to go. Yep, just went long, just played it safe. Phillip, he's in second. An ace here would be crazy. Did he do it? Wow, what a shot.
That's all.
Phil's in tight. Pretty much a guaranteed birdie. Green's got to at least 2 putt this. Did he get it there? Great putt. Easy par. That's how you play with the lead. Just tap that in and for birdie.
In case it goes. Not bleeding.
Philip just went in the bunker. He just chunked it. Oh my God.
I've been in the bunker a lot today. I figured I might as well. Clip the marker there? Yeah. Seems like you're in a good spot. Definitely don't move it.
What a motley crew. Am I right?
Oh, he's gone over the front.
Oh, again.
Peter.
Still my turn. Green likes to go out of turn.
Nice shot, Phil. That's a fucking nice shot. In a bit of trouble. This is for par. He just went right at it. That should guarantee him at least bogey double at the worst. So Phil's got a par putt there, a par chip, so he's in good shape. Phil for par.
Are you molesting that thing?
Gave it a good run now, Phil. Green for the bogey. Phil's got a bogey putt right there. No blood on this.
Green, I think we're gonna make it. Oh, sure.
Nice putt. Oh my gosh.
I guess we didn't make it.
Stroke.
Yeah, that was bogey.
Over the fence.
Look at Coop.
Did he do it?
No way.
The birthday boy. 41 years old. 41 years young, I should say. Oh, baby. I like it. Got the left bounce on it. Philip Bordeaux, 3 back. 18th hole. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. He's got a chance at birdie, so Green's just going to play it safe, obviously. Yep.
I hit it right where I needed to hit it. That's almost went all the way back to the bunker.
3-shot lead. Phillips there for birdie. 18th hole. It's a formality.
Mark it. Mark it. He would mark it.
Yeah, he would. That's what he does. Disappointing, but Philip for birdie to put the pressure on. Oh! There he is.
Let's go!
What a year! 5 wins. 5 wins. Tour championship. The patrons are going nuts back there.
Jordan. Good job, man.
What a night. What a night.
Oh, where you got choked at the end.
All right, Paul Eppenbrock first up to the podium. Tell us about today.
Where do I start? Where do I start?
Maybe hole 1.
Can't tee my ball up on an illegal damn turf carpet.
Oh my gosh.
So all I did after that was cheer on the 37 champions ahead of me,
Yeah.
and I had a couple drinks. So
All right.
Last comment before we go. Some people are kind of saying that maybe you are sponsoring the Lantern Rouge since
There it is.
Won it so many times.
It's been
There
a
it
while.
is.
If you want to read,
Hand him the hardware.
twice in a row.
no, if you want to read the 20,
What the fuck are you guys talking about?
But congratulations.
There you go. Congrats.
All right.
2021 WGA Championship, Lantern Rouge, last place.
thank you.
Nice.
There you go, Paul.
You did it.
Take that up to the girl.
Last place.
Mix an iron.